going to cook onion rice with green chili. It's really delicious, guys. You have to try it for our dinner. Thank you so much. First thing to do, you have to add 1 tablespoon of beef powder stock and 1 tablespoon of black peppers and 1 tablespoon of onion and salt, garlic mixed together, and also the chicken powder, and you have to mix it well until the ingredients it's soaked in the chicken. So it's very delicious, guys, and my husband loves this chicken green chili with rice and onions. So as you can see, I mix it really well. Then shout out to all my silent viewers, subscribers, and to all my co-YouTuber that always come to my visiting my channel. And then you have to add 1 tablespoon of margarine or butter or olive oil, vegetable oil, either whatever available in your house. And then you have to make sure like medium heat. And then when the butter is hot, you have to stir fry until the chicken get brown, and also 4 cloves of garlic fresh, and you have to cook a half cook, and 2 pieces of onion slice, sweet onion, guys. It's medium size and slice it, and the same half cook also you have to stir fry. So when your onions and garlic is cooked, then you have to add the set aside the garlic and onions, and then you have to add your marinated chicken, and you have to stir it until it's a little bit brown or half cook. And you have to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, as you can see, and then you have to leave it until it's turned light brown. The chicken I marinate this for 3 hours. Then you have to turn the chicken. As you can see, the chicken is ready, and then you have to add the green chili. This kind of chili, guys, I bought this in Korean. This is Japanese chili. It's not spicy. We have maybe a little bit, but it's not. It's really good. And then I had to stir fry that together with the chicken and onions, and 1 tablespoon add black pepper to taste, and also of course the 1 tablespoon of sugar. So now I add the 1 bowl of rice, cold rice. Then you have to mix it well. And my husband loves this kind of rice, onions with jelly, guys. He said it's delicious. He thinks that I don't know if he's hungry, but he finished all. He said it's really good, especially the green chili. So you need to try, guys. And I add, of course, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. If you have no oyster sauce, you can add dark soy sauce. and black pepper again. You have to try this, guys. Or if you want, you can put the add curry or what you call that, something like that. But I don't put that because my husband, he doesn't like curry powder, so I just put that way. So now look at this, guys. Looks good, and it's almost ready. The rice, onion, and green chili is almost ready. So last but not the least is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. So now the rice, onion, and green chili is ready to serve. Subscribe, like, and leave comment that is scallion or onion leaves. That's optional only for decoration. And don't forget to push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. So thank you again to all silent viewers, my idol. Shout out to all my co-YouTuber. Take care always, and thank you so much for visiting my YouTube, my channel. So God bless and bye. See you in my next video. Now it's look yummy, the food, guys. So I'm sure my husband, when he come home, will happy to eat this. First time I cook this invention or invented recipe. So you have to try, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.